Hi Nevlin Knights, it's Mrs. Jordahl. I'm here to talk to you about our new story this week, From Wheels to Wings. Now, if you haven't had a chance to watch Mrs. Witham's video of reading the story, I would suggest that you go back and find that one first. And then Miss Dooley has also made a video for you about some other things to go along with the story. So check those out, okay, if you haven't already. Now keep in mind that today we're going to write a sentence about what we learned in the story, okay? So think back to what it was about. It was mostly all about transportation. And if you don't know what that word means, it just means a way of getting somewhere from place to place, okay? So there's lots of different types of transportation. You can take a car or a bus or a train or an airplane, and some of those were mentioned in the story. So go ahead and think back to what you learned about in the story, and then decide on what you're going to do for your sentence. Okay, so today I made it kind of easy for myself. I decided to just take a sentence that was right in the story. And if that's what you want to do too, you can do that, or you can think of your own. Okay, but here is mine. So my sentence says, old bicycles had great big wheels, okay? And like I said, that was just right there in the story. That was exactly what it said. So if you want to do that, that is fine. Just keep in mind, when you're writing your sentence, you need a capital letter at the beginning. You need a period at the end so that we know your sentence is all done. You need to use your lines as a guide to writing on your paper, okay? Make sure that we can read your writing very well. Use those finger spaces in between words, okay? There should at least be one width of a finger in between each word so that we know it's a new word and we can read it really well, okay? So keep all those things in mind. Now remember, if you want to challenge yourself, you can always write 2 sentences or 3 or even 5. That'd be really cool to see you write that many. Now today I did draw a picture for you. I am not a very good artist, but I did try to draw a bicycle for you. And I would encourage you to also draw a picture and color it in to go with your writing, because that's just another great way to think about what you read, okay? So please do that if you can. And I hope that you have a great week. I'm looking forward to hearing about what you write if I talk with you this week. And I will see you all next week.